Hello everyone, this is Lisa Vlog Switzerland. Today we're exploring a beautiful and historical place right here in front of us, here in Grellingen, a charming village in the Basel-Landschaft region or Basel-Land. It's surrounded by hills and the Birs River's Grellingen might look small, but it's full of history that date back hundreds of years. Guys, Krilling roots go all the way back to the Middle Ages. The village was first mentioned in document around the 13th century, and its field played an important role as a settlement along the old trade routes that connected to Basel to Jura Mountains. While we are walking, we are noticed here there is a lot of culture and landmark that the soldier before they made it. When you're walking narrow streets, you can still feel the old warm charm, traditional Swiss stone bridges, and traces of its historic railway line that brought life to the valley. Guys, all around me there are old soldier rock marks, carvings and symbols left behind the time of the Second World War. These stones tell quite the stories of the soldier who once stood here guarding Switzerland's borders and watching over the valley. You can still see their names, dates, and symbols carefully marked on the rocks, a reminder of their duty and the challenging times they lived through. It feels surreal to walk here, surrounded by peaceful nature, knowing that this was once a place of tension, defense, and as follow the path, I can hear the sounds of the river below and then the birds above, that the nature has reclaimed this area, but the memory of history still lives on, and every mark, every carving, every stone. So guys, this is the soldier, how they mark a memorable when they stay here to protect the Switzerland. It's very nice, guys, right? It's 100 years ago, so it's very deeply meaningful for the soldier of Switzerland. This is Bern, guys. So every canton, every soldier, they put it the like a provinces for the stone, so it marks that they have a participations for every provinces. Guys, standing right now here by the river in Grellingen with this beautiful railway bridge right behind me. It's such a peaceful place. You can hear the gentle sound of the water flowing and sometimes the distant echo of a train passing above. The Grellingen railway bridge is more than a piece of architecture. Is a part of Swiss history, and it's been here for over 100 years, connecting Basel with Jura region and carrying countless journeys through time. And guys, during the Second World War, this area also had a strategic importance. The soldier once marked the rocks nearby as a sign of their watch and protection. When you walk here, you can still feel the echoes of that history. The very silent water mixed with the calm and beauty of nature today. Guys, it's a perfect spot to pause, breathe, and appreciate how Switzerland preserves both its natural beauty and historical memories. So guys, let's walk over the hills surrounded by the nature and river around the Grellingen. Guys, it's such a peaceful autumn day. The air is cool, the ground is covered with the golden leaves, and every step feels like walking on a soft, colorful carpet. The trees around me are glowing in the shade of yellow, red, and orange. The, the music of the water flowing from the river, it's like nature is painting its last masterpiece before winter ends. As I walk, the leaves gently fall from the branches, dancing in the air, reminding me how beautiful every season in Switzerland can be. This forest is not just calm and relaxing, it also holds pieces of history, those soldiers' rock marks I saw earlier are hidden somewhere nearby, telling stories of the courage and time gone. I feel grateful to be here surrounded by nature history and then the beauty of the moment. This is Lisa Vlog Switzerland, enjoying the magic of autumn and the Krilling. See you in the next vlog. Bye guys! So guys, until here, and there is a second part of this video, so see you next for my next vlog. Bye.